Welcome to IP Systems, your home for superior quality and fume filtration. Today, we are going to discuss our F8200 family of products, which are the largest and most powerful filtration units we offer. These units provide airflow rates ranging from 900 to literally 2,000 plus CFM, making them a perfect solution for large reflow ovens, wave solder machines, as well as large industrial lasers. The F8200 units are also used in a variety of other high-volume applications, such as welding, brazing, or even creating positive air pressure in clean rooms. Utilizing these systems versus venting to the exterior can provide significant savings due to the high energy costs of trying to heat or cool makeup air. This is especially true in high humidity environments or where temperature extremes can be very hot or cold. The filter configurations are capable of handling extremely large volumes of particulates or fumes while also providing up to 55 pounds of activated carbon for the absorption of odors and vapors. When VOCs, volatile organic compounds, are a concern, these units can be provided with explosion-rated motors, and as with all of our units, we offer real-time filter monitoring. Whatever your application, IP Systems has a solution.